Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you another airdrop. So let's start the video. Before that, if you are not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. I will regularly upload high profitable airdrops and big airdrop. This airdrop is launched by Unichain. And if you don't know what is a Unichain, so the airdrop is a similar. Look guys, in the history of crypto airdrop, you will see that who has done one of the big airdrop distribution, that is Uniswap. It has given airdrop of $6.43 billion. It has almost given an airdrop of $1,400 to this user, or at that time, Uniswap. The price of the coin is very much like the minimum. After that, it was pumped out that $1,400. So dollars can easily be converted into 10,000, 20,000. Today the price of Uniswap is $7.96 and the market cap is going at $5.87 billion. Its market cap is Uniswap. It is a strong project. So guys, Uniswap has its own swapping platform where people can swap the Ethereum Layer 1 project. Now I'm telling you about Uniswap. So guys, Uniswap has its own project. Here we are coming to the market. Its name is Unichain. Uniswap is different. Unichain is different. This is a product of the same community, which is yet to come to the market. Its testnet is live, in which we have to participate. Now it is as big as Uniswap. Big airdrop, so we can't expect. But it's a better rest. You can definitely hope that you will get airdrop. All the ready Unichain's 31.1k followers have been completed here. Or you can see if there is a BT of followers. Is there a cookie? Is there a Bitcoin wallet? Or is there a token pocket? Is there a Wito finance? By following all these, it seems to be confirmed that this project is absolutely born, or with the fact that its name has been associated with Uniswap, then all this project is ready. It seems that if you want to participate in it, then it is complete. The process explained here is as simple as this. This is the link of the website, which I can send in your description or then on Telegram. You have to open this website. Here you have to connect your wallet and get MetaMask. Connect the wallet and get your pass here on Sepolia Network. You must have some Ethereum funds, Testnet Ethereum. Your pass is not available. You will create an account on the SS Alchemy website, enter your wallet address, and click on Send Me Ethereum. 0.1 Sepolia Ethereum will be transferred to your account. Those who are the first to have Sepolia's Ethereum in the testnet, if those who have not passed follow this process. Now you can access your Ethereum pass and go to this website again. Or after coming here, what do? Sepolia Network is all ready. You will switch to MetaMask network. This is a simple task which helps you in daily life. Let's stick to the basics, because the more interactions you get, the more chances you have to qualify for the airdrop and also to get the big airdrop. The task is as simple as depositing your Ethereum to Unichain. In Sepolia, we have already Sepolia Ethereum, which is available through mine or then through this faucet, which I told you it will be taken through you. If you have this Ethereum, then you can do minimum transfers here as if you have earned 0.001. Ethereum I'm depositing in Unichain. You can withdraw more than 0.002 here. Click on deposit. Agree to the terms of condition or click on deposit. Your request will be confirmed in MetaMask. Click on I will send your request. Click on confirm, or after that your deposit will be completed. See here the process is going on. After some time, it may take some time also. Well guys, there could be a problem with the blockchain in completing the transaction, as you can see here. Once your deposit is complete, the withdrawal option is there. Now you have to use per click and see what you have received in Unichain Sepolia. Now you have spent some funds from this month. You have spent 0.002, for example, in Sepolia. You have clicked on Withdraw. Terms of condition, click or use it. After switching to Unichain, click on the link, which is the network, and you will see your MetaMask added. Once you have reached here, click on Approve. After adding the network, click on Switch Network or click on in the MetaMask, a request will come to confirm this. But before that, you can see this. Withdrawal will take place within 7 days, and your policy amount will be received within 7 days. But if you follow the daily basics, then you have to confirm it. Our transaction is currently showing. Here's how you will transfer your money from Unichain Money to Unichain Money. The more active you are in withdrawing money from Unichain Money to Money, the more active you will be. the better your chances will be, the sooner you will get the maximum reward. Join quickly, guys. I hope that you will join my Telegram through all the links. But if you have not joined, then the link is in the description. Join because there are many updates available, which is available on Telegram. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel and turn on bell notification. And thanks for watching.